Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 6,618 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tires at 730 seconds, and the rear tire at 530 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint peeling on the floorboards, scratches on the rim, wearing blemishes on the fuel tank, a wearing blemish on the nose plastics, and surface scratches on the saddlebag. This trike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. This is a stock vehicle with a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.